Morning guys, once again I'm with you from the Top 10 Mobiles with a new repair. Today I'm just going to show you how to replace the LCD screen of the Huawei P8 Lite 2017. So that's Huawei P8 Lite 2017 here. So let's see how to replace its LCD. Alright, first of all we need to give the heat. As you have seen in all my previous videos, you need to give heat with the heat on all this part from 3 to 6 minutes. Although you have to lift the LCD, you have to also give the heat here as well. But first you need to give the heat on this part. So let's see how it is. Before start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel below. Right, as you can see, I've just started. And give the heat on this all four sides of the back of the phone in a balanced pattern. Make sure you do equally on both parts from 3 to 6 minutes, not too much. Now we will try to lift the back cover with the steel rod. As you can see, this is just coming. I've just started and it is slowly very good. As you can see, the cover is just here very slightly. So now to remove these screws, and then I will unplug this sensor flex, then we will start the other part. Right guys, just remove this screw. Very good. And
see you later.
here you go. That's still covered. As you can see, this is connected so that this part is separate now. Right, now to open the screen part, first we need to open this part. As you can see, this is the LCD connector. First we will unplug this and we'll open these screws. Number 2. Number 5. Here. Number 6 is here. And last, number 7. So this part, because LCD connector comes from bottom and it goes all the way from battery to here. So I will just lift this part a little bit. Okay, good. As you can see, it's just right. So it's here. I'll just there. So that just comes over here. So we need to open this battery part as well. Here you go, and it's just this connector. There you go. That's the battery connected. So we will just unplug the battery, which is here. We will just lift the battery a little bit, heat, and then we'll take this LCD out. Now we'll give heat on this part of LCD, and then we will lift it. Right. With the same pattern, guys, from 3 to 6 minutes, but with the balanced regular intervals. Now I'm trying to lift this part LCD, and guys, as you can see, it's just coming up slowly, as there is a tape which is very hard at the bottom. So I will just try to do it a little bit slow from this side. Here you go. As you can see, the screen is here. So this is the connector which goes from the bottom all the way from the bottom of battery, all the way from the bottom of the battery to here. So as you can see, screen is out. So just to take this screen out, we have to give a little bit heat to the battery, and we will remove this cable which is going from the bottom of battery. Yeah. Right, we just gave it a bit heat, and we've just lifted battery, as you can see. So that's the LCD connector which is coming all the way from the bottom, this one. So we will just take the LCD out. So here you go. As you can see, this is coming from the bottom, from here. Now we will test the new LCD, and then we'll see. There you go, guys, that's the new LCD. Now we're going to open it. We're going to test it first. Before fixing it, we need to test it. So we will just put this LCD from this hole on the front. We'll just lift it here, and then as you can see, the connector is here now. We'll just connect it. Here, and then we will connect the battery.
Come on down, play 4, get 1, 3.
This battery connector. There you go. Now we will power down, and we will see whether it's coming up. There you go. As you can see on the screen, it's showing the logo. We'll just check the screen pattern, whether the touch is working. Then we will just finally put it back on the tape. Right, guys, as you can see, the screen is here. I'm just checking the pattern whether it's working. There you go, it's all working. Right, so I will just power it off, and then we will just finally, there you go, it's just powering up. We'll now take out the LCD, we'll put the tapes in behind. We'll see if there is any adhesive tape already. Just unplug the battery, unplug the LCD, and then take it out from here and see there is tape already, and then we'll put it back. So as you can see, there is already adhesive tape on the side, so you don't need to put it. We'll just take the tapes cover out. We'll just fix it. One more thing, just on the top ear speaker there is a filter of metal, so which we need to take out from this old LCD here, and we will put it back. So from here we'll just give a little bit heat, we'll take this out and put it back. So here it is, we have just taken this ear speaker cover from this screen, and we will just put it on the top of new screen, which is here. That's it. Here. That's it. This one. Right? One more thing, guys, before putting the new screen you need to clean all this front part of the screen where the screen will be attached. So clean all this and put the tape or glue here, then put the new screen. Right, so I'll just start cleaning this one from here. As you can see, there are small parts of the tape, so with this I will just do this all. As you can see, this tape is all coming off. Right, so all these corners you have to clean it. As you can see, I've just cleaned it all, and now I'll just put the adhesive tape here which comes with the LCD, and then we will just put the stick over the LCD. Right, and this is the adhesive tape which as you can see the marks, so we'll just put over here, and then we will put the screen back. So let's see where it will come. So I think it will come on this side. I think so, this way or this way. Right, so this will come on top. Right guys, so I will start from the top here. Just take the adhesive part from the back very slowly. We'll just take it out. And just so here we go. Here, and I am doing the sides as well. Here you go. So I have just pressed tape all over the corners and the front top part. Now if you just lift this part, as you can see there's a cover, and you can literally see this part.
Now, come on.
It's already cut, so if you just put it slightly over here, right. Hey good guys, as you can see I'm just taking this tape off, so you can see this is all covered on the bottom. This is all sticked, so here you go. As you can see, all this tape is gone over the border and corners over the whole phone, right? Now what I will do is I'll just take this blue cover from the screen. I'll put the screen in there. Try to manage it from the top to the bottom. See if it is settled on the phone properly. Here you go. Very slowly and very slightly. That's it. There you go. As you can see, the screen is just settled over. And now from the back, the connector of LCD has just come out. Here you go. Right, so I will just connect the LCD here. Here you go. Almost here. As you can see, I've just connected the LCD connector here. Now I will just put back the battery. Just a little bit to go down. Connect the battery connector. Press the battery slightly, very slightly. Very lightly from here. Here, as you can see, the battery is settled. LCD is connected, battery is connected. Now, first we'll put this bottom part back, which is this one. Here you go. Here. Now we'll put back the screws, which was from here. Number one here. And then the black one here. He got number 3 back. The corner one, and next to the corner one, and last 2. Here you go. Right guys, now I have to put back this back cover with this connector of sensor. So before putting the back button, we have to take the tape off from all this, and we need to put new tape so that it stick over here. So I'm just taking the tape off from this back cover. Most of it I have taken off, just a little bit left, which I just want to show you, and then we'll put it back. Right, I've just taken off all the tape. Now I will put back the new tape, and then we'll just put it back over to the phone. As you can see, this is the tape, so I will just start putting it from the corner of the back door. There you go. Make sure guys, if you're not confident to do this, don't do this at home, please. If you are not confident that you can't do, don't take the risk. Just bring in to the specialist who can do it.
Come on down, boys, go get one free.
Right, I'll just take these tapes covers out. There you go. There you go. And finally, now I'll just give these a little bit heat so that they just stick properly. Make sure you give heat to the tape sides, where you just put the tape over the corners on the back door of the phone. That's it. And now first I will connect the sensor thing, and we'll put back the steel rod, and here you go. Flex is connected. Now I will just put this back. Right, it was like this way, and then right, just like that. Here you go. Right, and there was one screw. Here we go. And then I will just put back this cover of the battery. Right. Right, I just put back the connector, battery covered back, and now I will just fix this back door. Put it back. I've already given a little bit heat, so make sure you just press it with the sides, slightly pressure, not too much, because all the screens and all the back door covers, they are very sensitive and light. So just a little bit. As you can see, this is done. Now just try to power down. Here you go. Screen is coming up, as I have already tested the screen. I've shown you. Right, all this. Right, guys. So the phone is on. Right, here it's all working. I've checked the pattern right. So today I've just shown you how to replace the LCD screen of Huawei P8 Lite 2017. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video and the repair, please like, share and comment on the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel below. If you want to learn more repairs, please subscribe to the channel below. Till the new repair, bye.